In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a chat in ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted to tidy up your chat list or remove a conversation that's no longer needed, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and search for ChatGPT. This is just to get you to the official site quickly. In the results, look for the official ChatGPT page. Make sure you're on the legitimate website before you proceed. A quick check is to confirm the URL is the official ChatGPT domain and that your browser shows a secure connection. Click the correct link to open ChatGPT. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Go ahead and sign in using your usual method. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right account, especially if you use multiple logins, so you don't accidentally delete a chat from the wrong profile. Once you're in, head to the chat history sidebar on the left side of the screen. This is where all your recent conversations are listed. If your browser window is very narrow, the sidebar might appear minimized, so widening the window can help it appear more clearly. You should see your conversation titles stacked vertically. Find the conversation you want to remove and hover your mouse over it. As you hover, additional options will appear next to the chat title. This is the visual cue that you're in the right place to manage that conversation. Click the three dots icon that appears next to the chat title. This opens a small menu with actions related to that specific conversation. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the menu for the correct chat, especially if your titles are similar. From the menu, choose Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify that you want to delete this conversation. This step is there to prevent accidental deletions. Read the prompt, and if you're sure, confirm your choice. After you confirm, the conversation will disappear from your chat history. Keep in mind, deletions are permanent, so once a chat is removed, you won't be able to recover it. That's all there is to it. You open the official ChatGPT site, sign in, locate your chat history, hover over the conversation you want to remove, click the three dots, select Delete, and confirm. With these simple steps, you can keep your chat list organized and focused on the conversations that matter most to you.